And you have the squirrel right there. That's the squirrel right there, watching the birds fight. It's an interesting little bird fight. Man, they really going at it. That's what I'm talking about. And once again, the squirrel right alongside, checking it out. What a scene. Squirrel is watching a fight, a bird fight. Now let's swing over to the bird fight, which is right there. And they've been at this for a little minute already. It's neat entertainment. I like to bring home vibe videos to you, you know what I mean? Shit that's just not created by a computer, but real life situation stuff. We got a bird fight, and we got a squirrel right there watching the whole thing. Let's go back over to the fight now. Well, they rolling, tussling, rolling every time. Let's look at the squirrel. Uh-oh, we got another bird. What he gonna do? Uh-oh, you see the squirrel? He ran to take a closer look. Uh-oh, there we go, running across the field. Nice footage. I guess he couldn't handle it. Let's get back over to the bird fight. Just a little right there. This is what happens when you got an 1.5 acre land. See all kind of stuff back here, man.